In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Lovable AI. We'll take a simple journey through this innovative platform designed to make website creation easier and more accessible for everyone, even if you're not a tech expert. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the Lovable AI website. You'll want to open your web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. Once there, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the homepage. Lovable AI has a clean and intuitive interface which makes navigation straightforward. This site is designed to make the process seamless and enjoyable, whether you're a seasoned pro or new to website creation. Next, you'll need to craft a prompt. This is an exciting step because this is where the magic starts to happen. Think about what you want your website to convey. What's its purpose? Who's your audience? Once you've crystallized those thoughts, head to the input field and describe your vision. Lovable AI's advanced algorithm uses your prompt as a blueprint to generate your website, so try to be as clear and detailed as possible. Keep in mind, the more information you provide, the better the AI can tailor its suggestions to your needs. After entering your prompt, there will be a waiting period. This process might take a few minutes, and during this time, the AI is working diligently behind the scenes to bring your ideas to life. This is a great moment to check out some successful examples of AI-generated websites if you're curious about what to expect. You can open another tab and explore these successful prompts and websites, giving you an idea of the possibilities and inspiration for your own site. Once the AI has finished processing your prompt, you'll be presented with a version of your website. This is your opportunity to review the generated content and layout. Consider if it aligns with your initial vision and if there are adjustments needed. This platform's beauty is the creatively adaptive nature of the AI, which aims to reflect your ideas accurately. While Lovable AI simplifies many steps, remember that perfection comes with iteration. Feel free to tinker with the details, adjust the styling or text, and really make it yours. This solution is designed to be flexible, allowing you to fine-tune the result to match your brand and audience expectations. And there you have it, the essentials for using Lovable AI to create a functional and beautiful website. Whether you're building a personal blog, portfolio, or business site, this tool opens up the creative process and presents a multitude of possibilities. Thanks for joining today. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Until next time, happy creating.